Hello, and welcome to English with Friends, where two friends have real life conversations in slow, clear English. I'm Emma, and I'm British.
And I'm Jake. I'm American.
We're at a restaurant, and my dinner has arrived with something I asked them to leave out.
Today, you'll learn how to send food back in a restaurant without being rude.
No, it's fine. I'll pick them out. It's fine.
It is very clearly not fine.
It's a bit fine.
What does a bit fine mean?
It means I've decided to suffer politely.
Right. I'll bet you. Before this dinner's over, you'll send that plate back. Politely. And you won't feel rude.
I will not.
Watch. You said no mushrooms. You said it twice. To the waiter, to me.
I know.
And this is a lot of mushrooms.
It's a mushroom situation, yeah. I'll eat around them. Watch. See, that one's... Okay, that one had a mushroom under it.
Mm-hmm.
This is going to take a year.
And your food's getting cold while you do surgery on it.
It's not surgery.
It's a little bit surgery. Okay, so just flag him and say,
No, I don't want to. It's fine. They can stay.
you hate mushrooms.
I don't hate them. They're just not my cup of tea.
Right, so we send it back.
God, no, that's so much. Sending it back. It's no.
Why?
Because then he takes it away and tells the kitchen and someone made it and now I'm the person who...
Who ordered no mushrooms and got no mushrooms?
It's a whole thing, Jake. It's a fuss.
It's not a fuss, it's dinner.
It's a small fuss.
Where I'm from, we'd have flagged him down already.
Yeah, well, we're not where you're from.
I noticed. The mushrooms gave it away.
Stop.
Last week, I got a burger with cheese on it. I don't eat cheese. I said, hey, can I get one without? Took 2 minutes.
And you didn't feel bad? Not even a little?
Bad about wanting the thing I ordered?
When you say it like that,
It's not rude to want what you asked for.
it feels rude. To me, in my bones.
Your bones are very British.
My bones are from Manchester. They don't complain.
So just ask him.
I don't want to complain.
It's not complaining.
Because what do I say? I don't have the...
You say, excuse me.
See, excuse me already feels rude.
Emma, excuse me is the opposite of rude.
Okay, so I'd say... What? Sorry, would it be possible to... See, I keep saying sorry.
The sorry's fine. Keep the sorry. Just add the part where you tell him the thing.
Wait, do I say you brought me the wrong thing? That sounds like it's his fault.
Don't blame him. There's been a mix-up. Nobody's fault.
There's been a mix-up. It's nicer.
It's the whole trick.
Sorry, I think there's been a little mix-up with my order.
Yeah, that's it.
Is it too much?
It's so polite he might say sorry to you.
There's been a mix-up. Okay, and then could you change it, or...
Could you is good. Could you swap it works too.
Sorry, I think there's been a mix-up. Could I get this without the mushrooms?
There it is.
Okay, I'm doing it. Where is he? There. He walked past.
You had him.
He was too fast. He had plates.
He's a waiter, Emma. He always has plates.
Okay, next time he comes, I do it. No thinking. Okay, he's coming back. Oh God, he's coming. Okay.
You've got...
Shh. Hi, sorry, I think there's been a little mix-up with my order. I'd asked for it without the mushrooms. Yeah. Would that be okay? Oh, brilliant. Thank you so much. Sorry.
Stop apologizing.
No, that's great. Thank you. He was so nice about it.
Yeah, they usually are.
He said no problem at all. He just took it like it was nothing.
Because it was nothing.
It was a bit nothing, yeah. And he smiled. Did you see he smiled?
He did smile.
That's a real smile. That's not a work smile.
You can't tell that.
I can 100% tell that.
See? No fuss.
No fuss. I made a fuss in my head for 10 minutes, though.
You made a whole movie in your head.
I made a trilogy. You know what the worst part is? I'd have eaten every mushroom, quietly, and been a tiny bit sad through the whole dinner.
For a mushroom.
For a mushroom I didn't even order.
A real tragedy.
Don't laugh, it's a real condition.
So next time...
Next time I send it back straight away. I'm a new woman. I order things and I want them correct.
Let's not go crazy.
No, you're right. Let's see the new plate first.
It's coming. He's got it.
Is it... Can you see? Are there mushrooms?
I can't confirm 0 mushrooms.
Jake.
I'm kidding. It's clean. You're free.
Oh, thank God.